One is internet problem. Another one is my Microsoft or Microsoft application, Teams application problem. Sometimes my laptop problem. Okay. If you are completely silent, I thought I am disconnected. And I will get a sleep and I will get a bore. That's the problem.
No, sir, we will speak.
Today is the 21st, 2023. Okay. Today we will going to discuss about a service desk.
Hello, sir. Hello.
So this is service desk, what services do, all these things. Before going to that one,
Hello, sir.
tell me.
Sir, we need to gather information about our own system, right?
Yes.
This question will be asked in the interview about our system configuration, which system we are using, right?
Some configuration. Yes. Possible question will be there. Okay. So our part of question, what is your RAM capacity? What is your CPU capacity? How do you check your what is your CPU? Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So better to check once, guys, your laptops or a desktop, what are the things you are using. And also try to check your mobile phone configurations. Mobile phone configurations. Okay. So that's, learning is nothing something like you will get joining in one institute, then we will learn something, we forget something like that. That is not only point, okay? It's about things you what you have knowing about it. That makes a person is active in he knows in what he knows. Okay, what you have. Okay, that is the point. This is the PPT link of a service desk, guys. Uh, Service desk related PPT. So, and also I'm sharing to your WhatsApp. Few points will be different from there to here. So here I'm beginning with a different kind of approach, right? There is a lot of industries. One of the industry is IT, IT industry, IT organizations or IT business. Of course, IT business done by IT organizations. IT organizations will do, or what is IT business means? It provide a IT services. Okay, what is IT business or IT organizations? IT organization means companies, IT companies. What they will do? They will provide a IT services. To whom it is providing? To IT organizations and non-IT organizations also. Okay. For example, Savantis is an IT organization. Okay. For example, you take a car company or a battery company, a motorcycle company. They also require a IT services, right? You go to shopping mall or you want to a shop. Okay. Um, Now Reliance Smart is everywhere, right? So go to Reliance Smart, like a big bazaars, or maybe now Big Bazaar is gone. Okay, DMart. That is a shop. Shop is sell groceries. What shop requirement for IT services? What is that DMart is there, for example? What IT services required by DMart? They'll do billing, right? Billing application is required, right? Who will build that application? IT company. To run this application, of course, they need an operating system. The system is required, computer, operating system, and hardware is required. Network is required. Internet is required, because not only billing, that is also reflect on other places. So I went to Apollo, I purchased one medicine. Okay, they enter my phone number in their system, and they add my product, what are a tablet or something I purchased, they will enter there. It automatically adds to Apollo website. Whenever I want to see what are the things I purchased so far from the Apollos, and I can see. Same goes with other things like a MedPlace kind of stuff. Okay. So how it is? So in the central server, they want to put it, or maybe they want to send or receive a data, so they will use outside of network. For that one, internet is important. Your hardware services, networking services, networking related means network provider kind of stuff, means the LAN creators and all, the network related, hardware related, operating system related, billing service related, servers. There are the billing application, client side application, server side application is there. The servers, they're required. Okay. So of course, CC cams and all this is also we can include it. So guys, this is a DMart is a non-IT organization. Still, it required a IT services, different type of IT services. Which is who is providing this? Some IT companies, right? Microsoft is providing Windows operating system. Intel is providing processors and some other hardware components. MSI hardware components. Okay, motherboards, graphic cards from MSI. D-Link, TP-Link. Okay, so networking related. Cisco networking related. Internet related components. Firewalls, if you require, like if you keep adding, that's why I put a dot and a comma, because there's a lot of things, like you need a firewall, then firewall related thing installations, servers, server related hardwares, operating systems, applications, services from different IT companies. Just I given one example, guys. Think like IT services. So IT company. So it's non-IT company. Then what IT company is requirement? For example, I'm giving Savantis is our IT company. So we are also providing certain services to another client. We are providing services. Also, we need a IT related services. For example, SAP application. Okay, I need applications. I have a systems, means I need a hardware related, operating system related, network, and internet. Dedicated connectivity like a WAN connectivity, network in the sense different network things are there. Firewalls are required because I'm connecting in a public. Okay, so different IT services. Cloud services required. Not only I'm providing, also I'm utilizing cloud services, data centers, servers, switches. So these are all network. I put a network means routers, switches, everything will come up. Okay, so I will remove this WAN. Firewalls, cloud related services, applications like SAP related applications. You know, we are also using Office 365. Already I told Microsoft Office 365. It's a cloud-based Microsoft cloud-based Office services. Now I'm using Google Docs, right? Same way I can use Microsoft documents. Like this is Excel sheet. Have you seen this Excel sheet? I open in a web browser. This is because of Office 365. And all these things we can access through web browser or a local. So anywhere, from anywhere, anytime, any device, these things we can able to access. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, SharePoint, all these things. Okay, so an IT service, IT organization provide IT services also need a IT services from other IT organizations. And of course, again, um, we are also providing, means if you take an organization, you take a company, for example, Savantis itself is an organization, IT organization. If you go to services, what are the services we are providing? SAP HANA services we are providing, SAP related services, experience, customer experience, media, entertainment suites, SAP analysis kind of stuff, data warehousing, cloud services we are providing, and cloud and managed services like a cloud and IaaS migrations, cloud-based SAP resources, staffing solutions we are providing. Like you can go to any company, like so go to Microsoft. Microsoft is an organization, right? What Microsoft is providing lot of services. Okay, so it is Microsoft providing Office 365, Teams, Windows Server operating systems. Okay, Surface Pro, gaming. Okay, Windows operating system, so many others. So cloud services that are providing. It is not showing all Microsoft. See, this is softwares that are providing, devices, entertainment related, business related. Okay, Dynamic 365. Salesforce. Salesforce is a CRM. It's a cloud-based CRM, right? It's a right customer relationship management. So same thing, Dynamic 365 customer relationship management, Dynamic 365. Windows 365 also launched. Azure. Azure is a Microsoft Cloud Services. Developer and IT related. Okay. Others. Okay. So every company has every IT company has a list of services which we are providing to other organizations. So that's I am trying to say. Okay. Again, Savantis. In the terms of service provider. In terms of service provider, what services it is providing? SAP consultant, SAP related solution it is providing, staffing, cloud related services. Okay, staffing is different, not different, but other kind of stuff. SAP related file management, SAP cloud services. So now it is reduced. So earlier, up to last year, we have a lot of services we are providing, including software development, deployments, the Microsoft BATS team is there separately, HR solutions, that is also we are providing. Okay, just I write only two. Guys, understand what is the IT services? What is IT business, IT service provider will do like that? Microsoft as a service provider, what they will do? They will provide a Windows operating system, both desktop-based operating system, server-based operating system, applications, platforms, applications, lot of applications like Office 365 kind of stuff. Office applications, okay. So many other. Skype is there. So why I'm not getting now in the brain? Office 365, Office, Microsoft Office, operating systems, applications, operating system, for example, Windows, both desktop and server, Office, SQL server, database server it is, okay. SQL server, so many are there. Cloud service, what is that one? Azure, Azure Cloud Services, CRM, customer relationship management, Dynamics, application development. So for that one, .NET. Just there is a lot of services. So guys, Office 365 is another cloud services. Yeah, Azure. Good. Okay, so this is the thing. Just up to here, got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute, 1 minute only. Just I will be back in 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So one more point I will add here. Guys, here is a different roles and responsibilities of different people are there to manage in IT organizations. Different roles are there. Okay, so different services are there, like as I told. Okay, so including internet service is also IT services. Here it is different roles, different kind of people are there working in different level of in a IT services. Okay, so as all we know, there is a software developer. Okay, there is a software developer kind of stuff. Testing people are there. Software testing people are there. Deployment candidates are there, deployment. And monitoring. So like, DevOps related monitoring, not just monitoring, application performance monitoring, application monitoring. Okay. This kind of things will happen. Network engineers or engineers. System management people are there. System management, system admin. Different roles. The names are a little different, but engineers. So like a server admin, there are nothing but a server admin, system admin or a server admin. Okay. Managing, okay, mainly infrastructure management people, storage management,
Sir,
network
so
management.
these are the roles we can get after service desk profile, right?
Paths are there, like a different paths are there. So you do things like, for example, you join as a service desk.
Okay.
You are very much like 2 points here. It is based on what project you got it, what project you are currently working. Like after 3-4 months, meanwhile you will may change it to different projects. So you got something understanding of what technology you will understand better.
Okay.
Okay? So you
So,
keep
sir,
learning
we
about
have,
specific technology. Yeah, tell me.
Based on our
sir,
knowledge,
I
they will
think,
decide on which role they will means they will give, right?
Yeah, right. Uh, Simple point. Okay. Once you understand what is the technology you want to learn, or what are the opportunities, good opportunities to grow in the organization. So what technology? It can be a networking related, server related, or maybe a storage related, backup related, cloud related. Okay. Okay.
Means there is a possibility to jump another role like software developer once they will become to know like I'm able.
Possibility is there. Only very lightest possibility is software developer. Remaining is different. This is I'm not. It's different.
Okay.
Development means it is their self. They put a programming side again, right? Generally, but
Yes. If
programmer program only once, but remaining things happens multiple times.
means if after service desk if I know about Java and programming language as well, then they will think that they can shift me on software developer part as well.
I said no. There is a possibility, but I am giving my side as I know. So least possibility,
Okay. Okay.
least possibility because of I in IT again. Few sectors works in different way. To become a software developer, you don't require a company also. You can develop yourself. You can develop is anything. Okay? Because lot of open source platforms are available. You can keep doing it.
Yes.
Software developer means it is simple. There is a line is there, like a one pipeline is there, things like this. You are in a part of a one project. Now it is not one project handling or a one part of project. It is a complete life cycles. Okay, these are all comes under one project. Okay, so you can involve in like a deployment. Okay, what is the service? One part of like a the one team in the service desk will do only deployments or a deployment and monitoring. Okay, and understand requirements and understand issues. Okay, fixing the issues.
Okay, I understand.
Background kind of stuff means database administrations. Database administrators are there. Okay, these are all connected to one to another one. But network and system engineers, storage administrators, these are all director roles. These are all things. Okay, once you go, you will understand how to go inside here.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so things are like you learn cloud related or database administrator related, storage related, or you implement like you are very much interested in Microsoft servers or maybe Linux servers you are learn. Okay, so there is a growth, there is a growth path always. But only thing is, guys, just you join as a service desk, you sit in a chair, and you do the work. After 3 years, 5 years, you will get almost a little extra salary and same role. Mostly will be out of the other means instead of you, there is a fresher will come and do your work. So they no need to pay a 30,000 40,000 to you. So by paying a simple 20,000 to a fresher or 18,000 to a fresher, it is very simple. They will get a person, right? Double the salary they are paying to you after 3 4 years. So what we are trying to tell guys, keep learning. What are the technology you like it? So whatever it is, it can be a Java, Python, or maybe it is anything. Python is a common. Python is a common. Whether you want to become a software developer or not, Python become a common for everyone. Okay. Cloud also, any cloud, Azure cloud, AWS cloud is also the basics of a cloud is first important. Then
Sir,
you can
sir,
choose cloud you want to learn. Yeah, tell me.
sir, if I know Java programming language very good, then should I need to learn Python as well, or
Better to have a knowledge on Python basics.
because after Java I started to learn Python, but I couldn't generate interest within myself. I
It's okay
stopped
then.
learning. Hello.
It's okay, no problem. I said.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So my like it's a direction. Like people, what to do next. So we think service desk is a low profile. Myself, I am telling service desk is a best entry into the IT companies. Instead of waiting for a become a software developer or a cyber security person or become a CCNA, a CCNP, then I want to go for a networking. So guys, in IT company first works in two formulas or maybe three formulas. One is campus interview, whether you know or don't know, English communication test, aptitude test,
Yes.
they will take it. You miss the campus, forget about it. Forget about it. So we don't know what happens. The second thing is you got a job, you have an experience to the relevant field, you can jump to another company. So if you go to a company, I learn these technologies. I learn CCNA, I learn CCNP, I learn Windows servers from 2003 onwards. I can know every server how to set up. Of course, I know NT 2000, 2003, 2008, everything. Okay. I know the private cloud part. You guys are all know public cloud, but I know private cloud with Microsoft thing and as well as a OpenStack private cloud also. I know how to administrate, how to create the cloud. But only thing is, so far I be in the non-IT trainer means not non-IT trainer. I'm IT trainer, but not in the IT company. Right now I'm working in IT company, but it is earlier non-IT company. So, okay, so I'm being a trainer, so not even a service type job also not came to me. Have a knowledge. Point is, guys, when you got a chance to go inside IT company, don't think about others like people what they people tell low salary, high salary, nothing. Get inside. Keep learning. What are the technology you want to learn, or maybe what are the chance of technology you think it is better for you? Keep learning, and there is a lot of scope for this. Okay, the title is small. That's it. Even what are we are going, I am going to tell about a service desk. Even after 10 years, 20 years, even you are a big role, you are getting a 1 lakh per month also. In the these things will are common. Okay, what are I am going to tell next? What is event, incident, alerts? either for a fresher or maybe after 10 years of experience candidate, like a software developer is there, 10 years experience, the software developer is, testing is there, the deployer is there. So to those people also same terminologies. Okay. Only thing is the work related may changes. Teams are different, projects are different, the management is different. Okay. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. Okay.
Sir, I have a question.
Tell me.
Sir, for this job, we have to read each and everything about all software, or we have some basic knowledge of all softwares,
Software, nothing. No need to do anything with software.
which you have which you have given right now,
No. Oh, writing is different. What I'm telling is different. I
okay,
told if you possible, learn Python.
okay,
If possible, learn Python. Not required Java kind of stuff. So guys understand these are the possibility roles. Not a possibility role. I am not telling you about service desk roles. I'm telling different roles in the
yes, sir.
IT company.
Okay,
Different
sir.
roles in the IT company. Software developer also one of the role, right? Right? Developer, deployer, tester, packager. There is a different teams work on a different parts of IT services. Okay,
Yes,
these are not a
okay, sir.
roles. These are not a, you won't get any of it directly.
Hmm.
Okay, if in case you are joining now as a service desk, if in case in future you want to become certain thing like you want to become a network engineer or cloud
Mhm.
engineer or maybe a cloud architect or maybe you want to become a storage management related or a DBA related. So what to do? You have to learn related to that courses. Like
Yes,
you learn CCNA, CCNP. Afterwards, that is network engineering type. You learn a Windows servers or a Linux servers, then system administration, system administration, system engineers, Linux administrator, Windows administrators are there. Storage administration is there. Learn about NAS, SAN technologies using a NetApp. Backup administration is also there. Okay, backup administration, uh, um, backup admins. There is backup admin relation softwares, NetBackup. Example, I'm telling. There's a tools, softwares, concepts also there. DBA, Oracle DBA, Oracle database administration is there. Okay. Microsoft SQL Server administration is there. So this is a DBA related also there. So direct database administration. Cloud. So you have a lot of clouds platform nowadays, public cloud wise, AWS, Azure, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform, OCA, Oracle Cloud Platform. You learn the technologies related to that one. There is a possibility. There is a not a little possibility. There is a good possibility growth inside. Compared to software developer to become a software developer, there is a lot of roles are there, guys. IT means only software? No, because some people never seen IT company, so they will talk. Okay, just go once, like to any IT organization. Of course, not Savantis Noida. Okay, so Hyderabad is okay. So there are a lot of people, like even take HCL. HCL is a network administration, very big in a network related solution, network service provider. The banks, ATMs, some other companies also there. So from HCL, Ticona, they are providing this network related WAN networks they are providing. Okay, not internet services, not just a public domain. In our public, we have a internet. So I'm using internet. That is a Airtel internet I'm using. Okay, so that's different. Okay, little different because internet means it's a public. It's a private WAN connectivity is there are also provided. Software development is also one. Cloud solutions are there. That's why I should go to each and every company, guys. What are the company you know? So find out what services they are providing. If they are providing the services means there is having a different type of roles in that one. Okay. There are common. Okay. Not only this, there is a big list is there. But one thing is you learn, you can become like you will know what to learn once you started. Already you have a little idea or you are learning anything, keep learning. Like one of you said, you have a Java, you know Java, then what next to the Java? So do you want to, you have to learn testing related or any DevOps related? Yeah, DevOps is a good thing, right? DevOps is a good chances are there in good DevOps also. Administration side. You have to become a DevOps admin, you have to learn about a Git, Jenkins mainly, Maven's, Jenkins, Ansible, or Puppet, Chef. These are deployment tools. Monitoring tools are there. Newrelic, nagiosxi. How many are there? These are monitoring tools. Testing tools also available inside. Building tools and these are different tools to become a DevOps administration. There is a lot of chances to grow in the IT company, and as service desk is a good chance to get inside IT company. So that is given two question things. One is your doubt clarification about service desk. Second one is enter a question that is why you want to come to this particular profile, service desk profile. Okay, already given a question yesterday. So you ask a question, right? This is always good entry point into the IT company, guys. But only thing is you have to improve your knowledge technically. Okay, you have to keep growth in your technical things. You can go for it. So in one of our employee service desk person know already AWS and SAP is a SAP supporter and as well as a AWS support to some other company. Now he's learning this. So it keep adding things into resume. So keep growth in the IT companies. Okay, guys. So Python learning is the most common thing nowadays. If anybody is interested to learn Python, also will tell you to where to get a Python learning freely. Okay. One is cloudxlab. This is for all. NetAcad. Okay. These are all available as now. You can easily practice and you can learn things. Okay. For each learning, for each different things you are learning, it is better. First preference is skills for all. Next preference is cloudxlab. You want to learn networking essentials, skills for all is the best one. Networking is. You want to learn anything Microsoft related, learn.microsoft.com. Anything you want to learn Microsoft. Microsoft related, like Azure, for example. There is a learn.microsoft. That is Microsoft.com. You can learn. Okay. If you learn from the skillsforall or netacad, both are from Cisco related. Okay, both are Cisco Academy related. This is Microsoft Direct.
Hello.
When you learn from here also, you'll get a certificate.
Sir, are these learning platforms free?
Free. This is free. This is free. This is for Python. It is free. Only if you want, you can pay for a lab. Otherwise, no need to pay for lab. So this is Star Mark always, and this one. You want to know about a free courses? Then what to do? Type my name. Free courses. Okay, so how to learn things from the Microsoft technology and cloudxlab kind of stuff. Cloudxlab changed, guys. So recently I added, very recently, 1 week, 2 weeks. So this is also learn free courses part. Yeah, this is yesterday only I added. So how to learn from cloudxlab and so these are a lot of things. So how to learn from skillsforall. Okay, what are we can able to learn from the skillsforall also mentioned there. Okay, guys, up to here. If you see, this is my account. Simple, I have to log in for my account. So I earn already 2 batches like this. Batches you will get it. You can share to LinkedIn also. Simply can learn. So I started something, so it's still going on. Okay. If once I finish this, so I will get a batches for that one also. Next one is skillsforall. Category. You can learn a lot of things: cyber security, networking basics, networking essentials. I'll go to directly networking. This is Python. You will get a once completion of course, you will get a certificate. Amazing. This is Python essentials 2. Python essentials once also will be there. This is the networking essentials. No need to purchase, 70 hours estimated time. You will learn this batch. These are all achievements. Anybody interested or very new to this IT? If you feel like sir, I'm belongs to okay. I belongs to some different field. I want to learn the basics of networking because it's a starter for everything. So you can start with this one. And someone asks you to pay money for a learning Python kind of stuff. So no need to do anything, guys. Simple. You can go to Python Essentials. Okay, this is 2, and there is a Python Essential 1 is also there. 70 hours course, 40 hours. Maybe this is will give you both the things. And try checking. 2 parts of Python is there. Both 30 hours, 40 hours. Okay. And also so many things. No need to pay anything. Okay. That's my point is. We are Indians. First, don't forget. First of all, free resources, then later remaining resources. Yes, up to here, okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then take a 10 minutes of break. You have 10 minutes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
10. Okay, come back in 4:55 or 5 o'clock maximum. I'll be back. And I will continue with the remaining. This is just for a basic introduction. So I hope you understand this part, mainly service provider part. That I will continue afterwards. Have a tea or coffee, don't sleep.